I'm using Visual Studio Code in order to demonstrate this TypeScript functionality. You can use any of the code editor of your choice. So what I did is I have created TypeScript folder and I have opened it over here, and let's create new file and we will call it main.ts. So TypeScript file has an extension of .ts. You can call it anything. It's not compulsory to name it as a main.ts. Okay, and here we'll just do a simple console.log hello world. That's it. Nothing fancy in the first program of TypeScript. And now I need to compile this file, rather transpile this file, so that this code is converted into the respective JavaScript file. So to do this, I can go to view and open my terminal. If you don't want to go to view and open the terminal, you can click Ctrl plus backtick. Okay, so now in order to transpile it, we need to write tsc and the name of the file main.ts. Just notice here in the left pane you will get a new file once I transpile this. See, main.js. So respective JS file is created. Correct. So it will, using this, it will just show a message into the console when you run this file. Now let's run this file using node main.js. The .js extension is not mandatory, but I'm just using it here. So it will just give me hello world as expected.